Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use PixVerse for free. So yeah, that's actually available, and yeah, you can use the PixVerse for free, but it's a limited version. You can't create a very good generated video on it, and even you have limited options. You can't change the resolution. Even you can't make a full HD video or a longer video on PixVerse without subscription. But I will right now show you exactly how you can use it. So I just want to open up your browser and then head over into the PixVerse on the search bar of your browser .ai, and yeah, right here I want you to make sure that you are already signed in. If you have an account, if you doesn't have an account, or if you don't have an account, you need to create one. Alright, so right here what you're going to do is to go and to create right here on the left menu, and what you're going to do right here is to go into the options that or the option that are available to you, like duration. You can change the duration of your video from here, but the resolution is not available for you. The ratio also, you can choose the ratio, which is good. Yeah, if you want to post that video on the shorts or reels, you can use both of these options on the ratio. If you want a YouTube video, you can choose that one and that one, and if you want it a post on Instagram, threads, TikTok, as a post, you can just go into the 2.1 right there in the middle. Yeah, and also you can use the auto sound and auto speech, which are very good in the free version. All right, and even you have the last version, even if you don't have the subscription. So the last version gives you the high quality video generation, supporting facial models and device camera motions, and that's very good. Even you can choose the motion that you want to be on your video, and I prefer the smooth motion. So that's it. You can even describe the content you want to create, and you can upload the picture right here. But what's the big problem right here? If you want to set too much settings right here, or to change so much choices right here, you will need to spend more thunders right here. But in the free PixVerse, you have limited thunders, so you will not be able to create a good video, or a video that you want to create. So what I advise you guys is to get that subscription. It's not expensive. It's kinda in the middle. It's not cheap, and also it's not expensive. To get that, you just need to go into your profile picture on the top right corner right here, and I just want you to go and subscribe. And right here you can choose the subscription that will fit you. And once, for example, I like that Pro because I read these conditions right here, and it's very good, then I will just hit the subscribe. I will choose whether I will pay with PayPal or Stripe or Alipay, and then I will complete the process. And yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.